I Gotta Get Me. That's not even finished. You know what I'm saying? And Ready or Not is at the bottom because that's one of my first songs. Hey, what up, world? You already know who this is. This your boy, you know what I'm saying? Young Tony, aka Pretty Tone. This live full effect TV, you know what I'm saying? Brand new. We on that brand new shit. And this your boy Tone. I'm just checking my message on MySpace and people, you know what I'm saying, giving me feedback on my music. You know what I'm saying? Giving me 5 stars on, you know what I'm saying, on Successful. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to take a look at this though. Look, check this out. You know what I'm saying? On all my music though. You know what I'm saying? Me and my nigga DJ, we doing our mixtapes. You know what I'm saying? I got my #1 fan. You know what I'm saying? Some of my fans send me what they think. You know what I'm saying? Again, like this mixtape's not even done. You feel me? Like, alright, on Successful, you know what I'm saying? She said she liked the lyrics and stuff, and she gave Successful five stars. Street Lights is what we listening to right now. She gave it 4.5 stars. You know what I'm saying? She liked the beat. Best I ever had, I did the remix with Drake. She say she think on Drake music, I have the best verses, and I was just playing on that track. I was just testing out on mic actually. Then Wobble Wobble. She said DJ she liked DJ the Prince up in there, and the song needed his tone to it. You know what I'm saying? So she showed love. I'm representing that live full effect. I'm representing that tear 'em up entertainment. You know what I'm saying? No more True Hustle Records. You know what I'm saying? We was with True Hustle Records, but you know what I'm saying? Ask your boy DJ tore that contract up already. But you know what I'm saying? We on that '09 shit. You know what I'm saying? Our time to shine. So for everybody in TV land, YouTube, everybody on MySpace, you know what I'm saying? Everybody, just look out for your boy, Tear 'em Up Entertainment, Pretty Tone, you know what I'm saying? DJ the Prince, Jay Brown, you know what I'm saying? Did I miss anybody, Killer K? If I miss you, you need to hop in the studio if I miss you, you know what I'm saying? Hop in the studio, straight up.